নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, মাই এডুকেশ্যন চেনেলৰ আন এটি ভিডিঅ'লৈ আপোনালোকক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি 2021 চনত হ'বলগীয়া টেট পৰীক্ষাৰ কিছু সম্ভাৱিত কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। পেডাগজি অফ লেংগুৱেজ টিচিং। টপিক লাৰ্নিং এণ্ড একুইজিশ্যন। Learning acquisition can be automatically attained. This statement favored by cognitivists, behaviorists, both A and B, and none of the above. And the answer is cognitivist. Language acquisition occurs only when the child is taught the rule of grammar, the child is given an award, the child absorbs the language without conscious attention, the child has exposure to the language, and the answer is D. The child has exposure to the language. Mother tongue influence can be effectively minimized in the classroom by giving inputs from the target language in a simple graded manner, giving examples from the mother tongue, using the mother tongue very often, and giving a lot of exposure in the target language. And the answer is number A. State which is not true in context of learning and acquisition. Learning results in subject proficiency. Acquisition is a natural process. Acquisition helps in cognitive abilities, and learning results in subject proficiency. And the answer is C. Acquisition helps in cognitive abilities. Question number 5. From the given factor, which one may not affect learning outcome? Learners' motivation and interest, teachers' personality and attitude, structure and size of classroom, parents' income and status. And the answer is number D. Parents' income and status. Question number 6. For a small child, words are an effective tool of communication, best way to express feelings. C. Both A and B. None of the above. And the answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 7. The best way to develop a child vocabulary at the initial stage is to leave the child alone with storybook, given in admission in school at early age, engaging with talks with child and reading out loud, giving exposure to television program. And the answer is C. Engaging with talk with the child and reading out loud. Which of the following statement is correct? Learning is an unconscious process. Acquisition is a conscious process. Learning and acquisition follow the same process. Group activity helps in transfer of information. And the answer is D. Group activity helps in transfer of information. Question number 9. Before coming to school, children are fully aware to grammatical rules, do not know anything about the second language, well versed in more than one language, well equipped in their mother tongue and understand and explain. And the answer is D. Well equipped in their mother tongue and understand and explain. Question number 10. Which is no longer a position of English language in India? ইয়াৰ এনসাৰটো আপোনালোকে কমেণ্টত জনাব।